Kept you waiting, huh? Catchphrase Solid Snake yna. Ydy hwn yn edrych yn iawn? Dwi'n edrych yn... Hwna'n dwi. Hwna'n edrych fatha dwi ar fucking PowerPoint presentation. Dwi agor y ail. Si fe yma. Un eiliad, os gwch y dda. Dwi eisiau ni siw stream fi ddim yn waith da. Hello. Oce, bod dim ydych chi'n iawn, dwi'n meddwl. Na fel. Just o gam, de. Just o gam. Iawn o fama. Iawn. Oce. Lle oedden ni? Excellent, one. Joio pwy excellent. Coc fi fanna. Ti fanna. Iawn. Metal Gear Solid 3, technically. Ond nhw ddim yn gael yn 3 yn rhywswm. It's weird. Mae gen i fi bach o hanes o'r gêm yma. Dwi'n lyfio fo. Dwi eisiau brynu hwn bod allan yn reiddiol ar y PS2. Cos o Public Games o chwarae fo. Chwarae fo, joio fo. Wedyn nes i chwarae fo ar y PS3 HD. Chwarae fo, joio fo. Wedyn nes i trio ail chwarae fo ar gyfer streamio. So dwi wedi gwneud Let's Play o Metal Gear Solid 1 a Metal Gear Solid 2 back in the day, to 2 or 3 years run, 4 years, no? A dwi wedi cychwyn streamio hwn ddwy waith. Efo ddim llawer o success. Y hen un, y HD one. Am be bynnag rheswm, dwi'n cofio pam, ond y rheswm pam. Ond dwi eisiau dweud na hwn fysa'r gêm i fi streamio nôl. So, ni'n allan o ffordd gawn ni weld mae'n fucked up ydy'r Unreal Engine 5 ma. O, mae'n deud, o blaen eich gael gysio bydd yn reid i chdi. Iawn. Additional... I am playing them just first time. Na. Ddim just 2, de? Metal Gear Solid Filter beth yn gael bod fi'n ein o'n dyflwch? Oh, Metal Gear Solid 1. Yeah. Ja, dwi'n mynd am Metal Gear Solid 1, ti'n gwybod 2. Apparently, mae'r DPM na yn Life Regeneration hefyd. Dwi'n mynd i chwarae efo'r style newydd. Dwi'n mynd i chwarae normal. Let's chwarae fel la. Start a game in a new style.
After the end of World War II,
Okay.
the world was split into two, East and West.
West.
This marked the beginning of the era called the Cold War.
Os di rwy'n gwachio fi, allwch chi jyst dweud os di bod dim edrych yn iawn. Beth yna fwy? What? Okay. Look at them graphics.
Flying over Pakistan, altitude 30,000 feet.
Approaching Soviet airspace.
20 minutes to drop off.
Commencing internal depressurization. Equipment check. Arm main parachute.
All right,
Oh my god.
ready to go.
Drop zone still showing a high pressure mass. Cav okay.
Good. We've got high visibility.
Original written. Originally written, yeah? Original written.
Cigar. Connecting
Oh, yeah,
oxygen
original.
hose to interior connector. Put on your mask. Does this panty waste know what he's doing?
Panty waist.
Approaching release point.
10 minutes to drop off.
Hey, are you deaf?
He said put out the cigar and put on your mask.
No nonsense. Naked Snake, come on. Dwi'n Naked Snake eto.
Depressurization complete.
Checking oxygen supply.
6 minutes to drop off. Opening rear hatch.
Sunrise.
External temperature minus 46 degrees Celsius.
Damn.
Minutes to drop off. Stand up.
You'll be falling at 130 miles per hour. Try not to get frostbite from the wind chill.
1 minute to drop off. Move to the rear.
Activate the air bottle.
This is one for the history books. The world's first halo jump.
10 seconds to drop off. Stand
Oh, lots of cigar i wastad yndi.
Status okay. All green.
Prepare for drop off. Countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Spread your wings
And fly. God be with you.
Woo! So nhw'n first Halo jump, sa'ch ddim yn neud hynna nesa. Original directed by.
Jack, I've got some important news. The head of the CIA has finally given us the green light for the virtuous mission.
Virtual mission?
What?
No, the virtuous mission. The future of our Fox unit depends on it. If it succeeds, we'll be officially organized into a unit.
Virtuous mission? Sounds like some kind of initiation ritual.
You know, don't get cocky. This isn't a training op.
Right. So what exactly is this wonderful mission?
Well, about 2 years ago,
Sokolov!
a certain Soviet scientist requested asylum in the West through one of our moles. His name is Nikolai Stepanovich Sokolov. He's head of the OKB 754 Design Bureau, one of the Soviets' top-secret weapon research facilities, and the East's foremost expert on weapons development.
Sokolov? Isn't he that famous rocket scientist?
The very same. On April the 12th, 1961, the Soviets achieved the first manned spaceflight in history.
The Earth
Damn.
was blue, but there was no God.
Well spoken. The rocket that carried Yuri Gagarin to orbit was the A-1, known as the Vostok rocket. Sokolov is said to be the man most responsible for the multi-engine cluster used in that rocket.
What?
After Gagarin's flight, Sokolov left rocket development to become the head of the newly established Design Bureau.
From a lowly technician to head of a design bureau, that's quite a success story, so why'd he want to defect?
It seems he'd become afraid of his own creations.
Afraid?
Call it a crisis of conscience.
Bumps.
And for that, he left his country and his family behind and went over the fence?
Not exactly.
Goddamn
His
commie.
thesis was that his family was also
That's what he did
taken
stuff.
safely to the west. We used a mole to get the family out first, and succeeded in sneaking Sokolov over the Berlin Wall shortly afterwards. I was the one who conducted the operation.
The security on the eastern side was still full of holes back then. Then what?
We got Sokolov over in one piece, but the whole ordeal had left him exhausted, and we checked him into a hospital in West Berlin.
No.
It took him 2 weeks and more than 600 miles to get from the research facility in the Soviet Union to Berlin. He was in no condition to say anything coherent. And it was only a week later that we had something much bigger on our hands.
The Cuban Missile Crisis.
Real life
16th,
stuff.
1962, President Kennedy received word that the Soviets were in the process of deploying intermediate-range ballistic missiles in Cuba. The President demanded that the Soviets dismantle and remove the missiles. At the same time, he announced a naval blockade to prevent further missile shipments from reaching Cuba. But the Soviets didn't back down, instead placing their armed forces on secondary alert. Soviet transport ships carrying missiles continued on course towards Cuba. US and Soviet forces went on alert for an all-out nuclear war. Frantic negotiations were conducted through the UN's Emergency Security Council and unofficial channels to end the hair-trigger standoff. Finally, on October the 28th, the Soviet Union agreed to remove its missiles from Cuba, and so the world avoided a nuclear holocaust. But in order to get the Soviets to pull their missiles out, we had to make a deal.
You mean the one where the US agreed to remove its IRBMs from Turkey?
Naive to naked
The
snake.
Jupiter IRBMs deployed in Turkey were obsolete, and we were going to get rid of them anyway. They had no strategic value whatsoever to either the US or the Russians. The Turkey deal was a ruse, a cover story that was fed to the other intelligence agencies around the world.
So what did the Russians really want?
Sokolov. They wanted
What?
us to return Sokolov.
You mean the Soviets pulled out of Cuba just to get their hands on Sokolov?
That's right.
What the hell was he working on?
At the time, we had no idea. We were running out of time. It was either give up Sokolov or risk full-scale nuclear war. In the end, we had no choice. President Kennedy gave in to Khrushchev's demand. The next day, I got Sokolov out of the hospital, handing him over to agents on the eastern side. Sokolov kept on screaming, "Save me," until he disappeared from my sight.
What?
Then a month ago, we received some new information from one of our moles.
About Sokolov?
Yes. He was taken back to the research facility and forced to continue working on the weapon in question under KGB supervision. What's more, it's on the verge of completion.
So what kind of weapon is it? Something to do with space rockets?
Space rockets.
Missiles.
Same technology.
I guess you're right. We don't know the details, but it appears to be a new kind of nuclear device. For half a year now, the Soviets have been conducting frequent nuclear tests at Semipalatinsk.
Something to do with the weapon, I assume.
We're talking about a secret weapon so big that Khrushchev was ready to pull out of Cuba to get it back.
What?
Is Sokolov still in the facility?
No. According to our intelligence, he's in Selino-Yarsk, a place in the mountains about 3 miles to the west that's known as the Virgin Cliffs.
The Virgin Cliffs. Nice name for a virtuous mission.
They moved him there just recently.
Why?
Apparently, they're conducting a field test of the weapon, but it's our best chance to get him back. This mission would never have been possible if he was still in the research facility. This is our last chance. Sokolov must have known that too when he contacted us.
Alla i ddim neu Russian impressions. Dwi ddim am trio. O ie, si'n gofio, dwi'n fucking fflio lawr.
Listen up, Jack. Your mission is to infiltrate Selino-Yarsk in the Soviet mountains, ensure the safety of Sokolov, and bring him back to the west.
Wow.
If we don't get Sokolov back before that weapon is complete, we'll be facing a major crisis. The clock is ticking. Once we've confirmed the rescue of Sokolov, stand by at the recovery point. A recovery balloon will be dropped at that point. Helium will be pumped into the balloon to inflate it. The process takes about 20 minutes. Once it's complete, the gunship's arm will latch onto the balloon and pull it up.
The Fulton surface-to-air recovery system. I'm familiar with the theory.
Take it easy. It's been combat-proven.
Do you think Sokolov is up to it?
The shock will be less than during a parachute jump, and the arm can handle up to 500 pounds.
Yes.
So you're planning on going over the border in a single combat Talon?
She's equipped with 2 6-barrel 20mm Vulcan cannons, as well as 2 40mm machine guns.
Sounds like she could hold her own against a battalion of tanks.
Even with the fuel in the reserve tank, we're facing a 4-hour time limit. If all goes well, it shouldn't take more than a few hours.
Home in time for dinner.
But if anything goes wrong, you'll be eating dinner, breakfast, and all the rest of your meals in the jungle.
What? Don't joke. It's not the time to joke. No, my bag. I'm back! Wel, dwi wedi mynd i chwarae hwn ys 10 years. Hwn yn mwy o thing ar y pryd, dwi'n cofio. Cos Big Boss o dde, a dim Solid Snake. For the record, dwi yn Solid Snake person, dim Big Boss person.
Do you copy? You're already in enemy territory, and somebody might be listening in. From here on out, we'll be using code names to refer to each other. Your code
Major
name
Zero.
will be Naked Snake. I'll be referring to you as Snake from now on. You're not to mention your real name.
Snake?
What, you don't like snakes?
What do you mean?
You've eaten one before, haven't you?
In survival training?
I'm glad to hear that.
Exeter.
I don't know if I'd ever order one in a restaurant, but...
Be careful, you might not have a choice.
What about you, Major? What should I call you?
Let's see. I'll be Tom. Call me Major Tom. This will be...
Wel, literally... O, so wedi newid o. Nes i allan ar rhy fast. Nes i allan ar rhy fast. Oedd hwnna ddim Major Zero. Oedd hwnna ddim Major Zero. Game yn unplayable. Unplayable game hwnna.
That goes for food as well. You're
Ti'n gwybod bod yn pethau i ddal fi allan, de.
Great. Now I see why you asked me if I like snakes. I suppose calling me Snake was your idea of a joke, too.
No. There's a good reason for that. I'll tell you later.
Tell you later.
Gotcha. Getting back to the subject, how exactly am I supposed to feed myself?
You've been issued a knife and a tranquilizer gun. Use them to hunt for food. You'll also find some medical supplies in your backpack.
Yeah, about the backpack. I lost it in a tree on the way down.
I see. Well, you'd better go back and get it then. You know where it is?
Yes.
No problem. I can see it from here. It's stuck on a branch.
To climb a tree, stand in front of a tree that's covered in ivy and press the action button.
Oh.
I'll be monitoring your progress over the radio. We can't risk violating Soviet airspace, but I'll be in the gunship. My frequency is 140.85. I'll give you a call if I need to talk to you. If you need to talk to me, use the send function. Okay, Snake, go get your backpack.
Let's go. Dwi'n cael sydd yn nôl reit i fama wedyn, mae gaf really... Mae gaf really... anodd i gael yma. Yes! Mission complete.
I see you've retrieved your backpack, Snake. To equip a weapon, it's necessary to take it out of your backpack. In the survival viewer, choose Weapon from the backpack. Your available weapons will be displayed in a list on the screen. From that list, choose the weapon you want to equip and press the Enter button. For other equipped items, just do the same thing from Item.
Got it. Use the survival viewer backpack.
Yep, that's right. Survival is fundamental to this mission. After you've been out in the field for a while, your stamina will start to drop. If your stamina gets too low, it'll affect your performance.
No!
You won't be able to shoot accurately, for example, and your wounds won't heal as smoothly. Keep an eye on your stamina so you don't run out. To recover lost stamina, you can hunt for local flora and fauna.
Thank you.
You can use either your tranquilizer gun or your knife to hunt.
My only weapon is a Mark 22 Hush Puppy tranquilizer gun?
That's right. It's been fitted with its own suppressor. However, the suppressor will deteriorate every time you fire. Once its durability reaches 0, the noise suppression effect will be gone. So don't get too trigger-happy with it. The suppressor's durability is shown in the icon. Any weapons and equipment beyond what you're carrying now, you'll have to find as you go.
I have to find my own weapons and equipment? Whose crazy idea was this anyway?
Chdi gwybod na cyn jumpio? Chdi literally gwybod na cyn jumpio?
Operating procedure. You can't leave any traces of your presence. No weapons, equipment, footprints, sweat, or bodily waste. The same goes for bullets and cartridges, too. Your presence in enemy territory is already a violation of international conventions of warfare. There aren't supposed to be any American soldiers in Russia. It could spark an international incident. You can't let anyone see you. You can't let the enemy know you're there. This is a stealth mission. You're a ghost, Snake. In every
Mae'n rili pwysig tan wedyn, lle dy ddim yn bwysig.
The military and US government will deny any involvement in the affair.
Then I'll just have to take care of myself, huh?
I'm afraid so. You've been given a fake death pill for that purpose. SIS guidelines stipulate that soldiers on covert ops like this one be issued a potassium cyanide capsule. Tape it to your body so you can take it when you need to.
How generous of you.
Use it if you're taken prisoner by the enemy. It'll send you into a state of false death for a short time.
Fooling them into thinking that I'm really dead. So how do I come back to life?
Just take the revival pill.
You mean that thing they put in my tooth before the mission?
That's the one. But be careful. If you remain in a state of false death for too long, nothing will be able to bring you back. Remember that.
I'll keep it in mind.
Vad weird. Hon har akkurat i en mission, hon har akkurat i en fate specific.
Guess that means I can't count on any reinforcements.
Correct. The mission rests entirely in your hands.
A real one-man army.
Relax. There's a support team ready to back you up over the radio.
Who?
I'll introduce them to you. This time, survival is of
Pan vám ať introdušovi. Pan jsme introdušovi, který jump off play.
of monitoring your physical condition, acting as a medic, so to speak, as well as recording your mission data. She's a member of Fox as well, and she's here on the gunship with me.
She.
Hello, Snake. I'm paramedic. Nice to meet you.
Paramedic.
As in a medic who comes in by parachute.
Aren't you going to tell me your real name?
What?
Are you going to tell me yours, Mr. Snake?
Boston.
My name, huh?
I'm from
It's
Boston,
Doe.
And they call you Jack,
Massachusetts.
of course. You're a regular Captain Nemo.
A name means nothing on the battlefield. After a week, no one has a name. What's your name?
Jane Doe.
Very funny.
I wasn't joking, but I'll tell you my name only if you manage to make it back alive. My frequency is 145.73.
She's also in charge of recording your mission data. Whenever you want to save, send a message over the reserved save frequency, 140.96.
So saving lets me record my mission data.
That's right. It also records the state of your health.
Good to know.
There's one more person I want to introduce you to, Snake.
Huh?
Speaking of snakes, you remember the boss, don't you?
What?
A legendary soldier and your mentor. Actually, it was the boss that got the DCI's authorization in the first place. She's going to be serving as Fox's mission advisor.
The boss is?
She also helped me plan this mission. She and I were at SAS together.
Jack, is that you? How many years has it been?
Boss?
That's right.
The boss.
Talk to me. Let me hear your voice.
No, no, no.
It's been 5 years, 72 days, and 18 hours.
You've lost weight.
You can tell just by the sound of my voice.
Of course I can. I know all about you.
Really? Well, I don't know anything about you.
What's that supposed to mean?
You know what she means.
Disappear on me all of a sudden.
I was on a top secret mission. You didn't need me anymore.
But there were still so many things I wanted you to teach me.
No, I taught you everything you needed to know about fighting techniques. I taught you all I could. The rest you needed to learn on your own.
Techniques, sure. But what about how to think like a soldier?
How to think like a soldier? I can't teach you that. A soldier needs to be strong in spirit, body, and technique.
Het vindt ze heerlijk op een stream, Johan.
Learn from someone else is
Du litt din og bag.
In fact, technique doesn't even matter. What's most important is spirit. Spirit and body are like two sides of a single coin. They're the same thing.
Oh.
I can't teach you how to think. You'll just have to figure it out for yourself. Listen to me, Jack. Just because soldiers are on the same side right now doesn't mean they always will be. Having personal
What?
feelings about your comrades is one of the worst sins you can commit. Politics determine who you face on the battlefield. And politics are a living thing. They change along with the times. Yesterday's good might be tomorrow's evil.
Is that why you abandoned me?
No,
Abandoned me.
it had nothing to do with you. I already told you, Jack. I was on a top secret mission. A soldier has to follow whatever orders he's given. It's not his place to question why. But you're looking for a reason to fight. You're a natural-born fighter, but you're not quite a soldier. A soldier is a political tool, nothing more. That's doubly true if he's a career soldier. Right and wrong have no place in his mission. He has no enemies and no friends. Only the mission. You follow
What?
the orders you're given. That's what being a soldier is.
I do whatever I have to get the job done. I don't think about politics.
That's not the same thing. Sooner or later, your conscience is going to bother you. In the end, you have to choose whether you're going to live as a soldier or just another
Vi
man
det är
with a
lite
gun.
controversial.
There's a saying in
The
the
boss,
army,
die in der
loyalty
kameretta
to
med
the
overrated
end.
ut.
Do you know what it means?
Du var din fucking awful person.
It means devoting yourself to your country.
I follow the president and the top brass. I'm ready to die for them if necessary.
The president and the top brass won't be there forever. Once their terms are up, others will take their place.
I follow the will of the leader, no matter who's in charge.
People aren't the ones who dictate the missions.
Then who does?
The times. People's values change
Oh.
over time, and so do the leaders of a country. So there's no such thing as an enemy in absolute terms. The enemy
Oh my
is
god,
something
boss,
only
ti
one
yn
thing
annoio
can
the
do,
shit allan o fi.
constantly changing with the times. As long as we have loyalty to the end, there's no point in believing in anything, even in those we love.
And that's the way a soldier's supposed to think?
The only thing we can believe in with absolute certainty is the mission, Jack.
All right, but do me a favor.
What is it?
Call me Snake.
Snake. Oh, right. Your code name is Snake. It suits you well.
What does that mean?
That's right. The legendary unit that the boss put together during World War II was a snake. The Cobra unit, a group of heroes that brought the war to an end and saved the world. As long as you've got a legendary hero backing you up, you'll be fine. Isn't that right, Snake?
Yeah, I can't think of anyone else I'd rather have with me. Oh, and one more thing, boss.
Yes?
It's good to hear your voice again.
Same here. After all, who knows if either of us will make it out alive?
What?
Snake, you were always best at urban warfare and infiltrating buildings. But
Let's
this
go
time,
1 or 2 reference.
survival is going to be key. Those CQC techniques I taught you are sure to come in handy.
CQC? Close quarters combat, huh? I've been in the Green Berets for the past few years. I'm probably pretty rusty.
Not to worry. I'll be here to help you remember. After all, this is your first act.
Så var dda hynna, sa chdi'n cofio fo sa? Iwsio fo?
Where are you, boss? Next to the major?
The boss is communicating with us by radio from aboard a Permit-class submarine in the Arctic Ocean.
My frequency is 141.80. Call me if you need my advice on battle techniques.
Gotcha.
Your mission is to retrieve Dr. Sokolov. Dr. Sokolov is being held in an abandoned factory located to the north of your current position. Avoid heavy combat and don't let anyone see you. Don't forget that this is a stealth mission.
Snake, try to remember some of the basics of CQC.
Basics, let's go.
Commencing virtuous mission now.
Beth sy'n wahanol? Black. W natural life. What? What? Ja, hon backpack. So did we know a weapon? Ah, okay. Oeh, die controls bach gwahanol ma. Okay. What? In your face! Mushrooms and them in sal. Damn. Did we... Life med. Hello. Swampland. Dwi'n meddwl ti'n mynd cael unlock crocodile head rwan to go prynu fo. Okay.
Camouflage is an to use then select choose the most
There. Bastard. What? Top gameplay. Food. Tuna.
Not too bad.
What? Ah! Is the deal efo bullet drop weird na? Hmm. Just fucking boots gyda fi. Dwi'n mynd i mynd fucking cant llath eto. Fucking... Smells a fucking filthy dwi fanna. Filthy snake.
Major, I've spotted 2 enemy soldiers.
They're probably KGB troops sent to guard Sokolov.
KGB.
47s and grenades.
Ei, Super Saiyan. Faint o bell fewn i'r gêm wyt ti? Literally newid cychwyn.
Snake, your presence in Soviet
Dwi
territory
literally
already
wedi chwarae hanner awr a 20 minutes ni wedi bod yn
Can't let the Kremlin find out that the CIA
yn
and the American government are involved.
cutscenes.
Contact with the enemy is strictly prohibited. Don't
Dwi'n hen law ar
This is a stealth mission.
dwi'n hen law ar Metro
The Major
Solid
is
3
right.
ddo.
The point of this mission is to sneak through the jungle without being seen. The success of the mission depends on how
Tal, dwi'n
you
casau the
work
boss.
the uniform.
Dwi'n gwybod.
Also, if you crawl instead, you should be able to sneak by without
Wp-
the high
Gwybod sy'n mynd yn gweithio. Gwybod sy'n mynd yn gweithio. Iawn. Ydw i jyst yn stuck yn mwdlyd i bod dim wan? O na, mae'n llai chdi. Oce, mae'n un ffordd llai dyn. Mae'n rhywbeth i ddweud. Ia, literally newid cychwyn ydw i. So. Yes! Ww! Wyt ti'n Metal Gear Solid fan? Ta ydy o'n purely Dragon Ball Z? Oh my god, no was. DBZ 24/7. O, o'n i'n meddwl Super Saiyan 20... O'n i'n meddwl fatha Super Saiyan 24 oedd o. O'n i'n meddwl chdi fo'n i fanfiction. Dwi'n big Dwi'n big Dragon Ball Z fan hefyd. Fel that. Thermal G's, yes.
Who's that? Radio, we need backup.
No! Sut ti wedi gwneud CQC yn nhw? Be dwi'n myth allan? So, ond heb actually chwarae fy hun ers... Ie. Dwi'n big Metal Gear Solid fan. Ond hefyd, dwi hefyd yn derbyn fod yn insane. Atha, ti'n mynd fod i cymryd Metal Gear Solid o ddifri na. Gobeithio ddim. L1 di cael yn slow, ie. Oce, iawn. Ha 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 ha. Oedden nhw gyd jyst 'di mynd? Siŵr am hynna blaen. Ww. Dwi'n codi. Fine. Oh my god, there was. Fine. Dwi'n gwybod yn help pob o'na. Dwi'n siŵr ydyn nhw ddim. Di'r M4 yma. Mae bod dim fel mae fod i. Ie. Nes ni fi yn... Gyd oedd yn ôl, oh my god. Ie, RPC, ie. So, o'n i'n bach yn ofyn, cos mae'n Unreal Engine 5 game, sy'n ddim efo reputation gorau ar PC yn y bryd, lot o microstutter o. For instance, bach o tangent, dwi'n massive Monster Hunter fan, ond dwi heb di chwarae fo cos y microstuttering yn insane. Mae hwnnw weld yn iawn ddo, nes i watcha, neb eisiau disgwyl cwpl o dyddiau cyn dechrau chwarae fo. Cos nes siŵr fod y cymuned efo fixes.
I can't see Sokolov from here. The security is pretty tight. There are sentries posted around the perimeter. I wonder how many are inside.
Your objective, Sokolov, is inside the factory. They should be holding him in a room in the northeast section.
Northeast section. Got it.
Be careful. Your mission is to bring Sokolov back alive. He must not be exposed to any kind of danger. Do not approach Sokolov while in the alert phase.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, and one more thing, Snake.
You mean there's more?
No, it's just that when you get to Sokolov, I want you to tell him something from me.
And that is?
Sorry for being so late.
Is that all?
Yes.
Understood.
Ie, hollol, cross fingers. Ond un gem... Black Myth Wukong, ie. Oedd hwnna'n stytro fatha diawl, de. Dwi'n meddwl bod yn iawn, wan. Dwi'n trio mynd... ti da'r ads? Oce, na i pause. Mae'r ads thing yn... nes i wneud executive decision efo ad. So, yr executive decision fi ydi, ti either gallu fforsio ads ar rhywun pan ma'n dod i stream chdi o'r gynta, neu ti'n gallu fforsio 3 minutes per hour. A amlwg ti'n mwyn clywed hynna wan cos ti'n yr ads. Ond... hynna pam. Yr unig beth crap hynna di, mae'n 3 minutes ads bob awr. Ond y beth da am hynna di, os dwi'n dod fewn i stream fi, dwi'n cael ei bombardio ads straight away, which dwi'n meddwl sy'n well. Yn wedi bod ti'n small time streamer, fatha fi. Mae'n handi. Lle. Ten seconds ar ôl. Your community is back, hi! Ie, o'n i'n dweud yn ystod yr ads, cos dwi hefyd yn archive hyn. Os dwi'n fforsio 3 minutes bob 60 munud, mae'n golygu pobl ma'n cael ads fel ma'n dod i stream fi. Which dwi'n meddwl sy'n well. Pwy ti'n streamer efo... Oh, no. Oh my god, there was... No! Paid dwi'n gwybod lle dwi fy mon. Seriously. Mae boi arall. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Wil inte det då? Pam dwi'n chwarae hwn yn no death run? Dwi'n 100% dwi'n dechrau lladd bobl. Dwi cael... hynna. Backpack. Fydda. Falle iddo fyna. Dyna bym wan. Okay. Pam achos hyn o blaen? Pam? O ie. Ie. Sut i heb dwi'n clywed fi?
You must be Sokolov.
Are you one of Volgin's men?
What? Who is Volgin?
You'll never get it from me.
No. I'm a CIA agent. I've come to escort you back to the other side of the Iron Curtain.
You're CIA?
Yeah. I was
With that
Agent
scab.
Zero, the man who got you out 2 years ago.
Zero?
I have a message from him.
What is it?
Go fuck yourself, you commie.
Late.
Oh, there. Sorry for the wait.
Did he now?
What does it mean?
It means he's a man of his word. But we've got no time for this. You have to get me out of here before they arrive.
Who's they?
Colonel Volgin of Gru. You in the West know him as
Thunderbolt. What? Like the Marvel films?
Never heard of him.
He's a member of the Army's extremist faction, a man who seeks to seize control of the motherland. Ever since the Cuban Missile Crisis 2 years ago, Khrushchev has been pursuing a policy of peaceful coexistence with the West. Despite resistance and criticism from hawks in the army and the provincial authorities, Khrushchev has managed to suppress the opposition so far. But the failure of his agricultural policies has put him in a precarious position. And on top of that, the tragedy last November.
President Kennedy's assassination.
Precisely. In a sense, Khrushchev has lost his biggest partner, and his power base is rapidly crumbling away. A certain group is plotting to use this opportunity to seize power by rallying the anti-government forces, overthrowing Khrushchev, and installing Brezhnev and Kosygin in his place. The mastermind behind this plot is Colonel Volgin of the GRU. He has control over another secret weapons research facility much like this one, OKB-812, known as the Granin Design Bureau, and is using it to further his plans. But But that is not enough to satisfy him. Now he's plotting to seize the secret weapon I have been developing here and use it as leverage in his bid for power.
What?
The intelligence says that they are going to make their move during the test.
Then, the soldiers outside.
Exactly. They wouldn't need that many men just to keep me inside. Their orders were to prevent Colonel Volgin from capturing me.
What?
Even if it meant killing me in the process, or so it would seem.
Whoa!
Volgin will come. I'm sure of it. You must get me out of here before then.
Leave it to me.
By the way, your Russian is superb.
Oh, Russian dan zo.
Where did you learn to speak it?
Your mum.
Mentor.
Is that so? America is truly a frightening country.
Having second thoughts.
No.
No, I want your pancakes and your Coca-Cola. And your Hollywood films. I bet it's American. And your apple pie.
Major, this is Snake. Sokolov is safe with me. He's doing fine. No injuries.
And in a couple of years, McDonald's, when McDonald's is a thing in America.
With you there.
And not a small time
What
thing.
about the sentries?
I managed to get
And
past-
KFC.
I see.
Do you have
When did the
KFC in
boss- You lost
1963?
contact with the boss some time ago.
What happened?
It's probably just a weak signal. Just hurry and get Sokolov out of there.
What? Han eisiau siarad efo'r boss. These guys.
Freeze!
So this is the legendary boss.
Hwn ydy'r cymeriad gorau yn Metal Gear Solid.
We meet at last.
Wel, am y gêm yma. Mae'n shit y gêm yma. Ond ar ôl y gêm yma, mae'n awesome.
You're from the Ocelot unit of Spetsnaz. What's a crew soldier doing here?
Soldier?
He's the Ocelot commander.
That's Major Ocelot to you.
Wow!
Don't you
Ah.
forget it.
Lle mae'n dy sôn? Awesome.
Sokolov is ours. Now get out of here.
And Ocelot never lets his prey.
Ah, come on, na'r sôn. Come on.
What?
Come on, na fo. Pam nhw'n sefyll yna? So 100% gallu digwydd. Science of guns o fanna. Whoa. Cold.
I can't say it feels good to kill a comrade, even if it is for the GRU.
Sokolov, take cover.
Wow. Come on, na fo. Na'r sŵn.
You're not the boss, are you?
Yes! Fucking stupid. I love it.
GRU operatives?
What is that stance? Huh. That gun. If you're not the boss, then die.
Major! Leave it! Shoot the other one!
Oh, meow! Dwi'n lyfio faint absurd, dio. O ie, dim hwn di'r bit lle ti'n chwarae fan na. Hwn di'r bit lle ti'n gotcha nhw fod neud o. A mae'n rhaid bach o gun trifio i chdi.
You ejected the first bullet by hand, didn't you? I see what you were trying to do. But testing a technique you've only heard about in the middle of battle wasn't very smart. You were asking to have your gun jam on you. Besides, I don't think you're cut out for an automatic in the first place. You tend to twist your elbow to absorb the recoil. That's more of a revolver technique.
Revolver Ocelot. Oh my god.
But that was some fancy shooting. You're pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yndi, ie, mae o'n very James Bondi, yndi. Os oes o 2 person sydd wedi seithio ar yr un amser fyna, so fod i marw.
Major, do you read me?
I read you. Snake, you all right?
I've run into a few snags. These guys were after Sokolov too. Apparently they were taking orders from a GRU colonel named Volgan.
Volgan.
GRU colonel?
part of an internal Soviet power struggle, according to Sokolov. Something between the KGB and GRU, between Khrushchev's supporters and Volgans.
Sokolov was being guarded by the KGB and hunted by
So the best of the cops there shoot.
Like this could be
Yeah, that's also shoot first and then not ask questions.
The whole thing stinks.
I agree. You'd better hurry.
Sokolov ran off by himself, but I'll catch up to him.
We're counting on you.
Ydy hwnna... Os lladd o'n neud y thing na'n di, dwi'n mynd i hynna. I've got my AR-15. Wel, hyn... Dim yr M4 ydy AR-15, ie? Dwi'n yr un gynna. Bach yn naif yn mynd o ddipsyn o. America! Got my gun. So be?
Tasty.
Dwi'n gwybod mae'n y cutscene hi rwan. Dwi isio edrych yn dda. Dwi'n mynd i cwrdd yn hyn. What? Hwn dwi'n dwi'n joio. Nah, not gonna make that. Nah, not making that joke. Let's go. Chi barod am very big cutscene hwn. Yn tux fi. Cofiwch, pob bynnag sy'n gwachio fi i follow yn helpu fi'n fawr iawn. Dwi'n trio cael mwy na 170 followers. So, cofiwch follow fi. Diolch yn fawr.
Okay. Those men were from the Ocelot unit.
Spetsnaz.
Yes. The best crew has to offer. They're coming for me. I'm finished.
Calm down. I'll get you out of here, I promise. And we've got some of the best backup we could ask for.
What? What's going on here? Metal Gear. Na, dwi'n mwyn hyd yn gwybod beth enw hwnna.
That's what they were making you build.
Yes. The Shagohod. The dreaded behemoth.
Mae'n annoying fod nhw ddim yn galw Metal Gear yn Metal Solid 3 yn Metal Gear. Ond hytrach Shagohod. Mae hynna'n annoying. Damn.
Thing finished.
No, this is only the end of Phase 1. It won't be truly finished until we complete Phase 2.
What?
Phase 2.
The weapon's true form. If it is completed and the Colonel gets his hands on it, it will mean the end of the Cold War.
The end of the Cold War.
Yes. And then the Age of Fear will truly begin.
A world war.
I had no choice but to cooperate. I didn't want to die. I wanted to see my wife and child again in America.
In America, and get KFC and go to IHOP. And go to Target
Treated without my
to get some
Got it.
cream for my coffee. For my gingerbread coffee. Fuck, so we're in the tux, man. Oeh, screen tearing. Dwi ddim yn revisi'n con. Dwi'n gwrth yn revisi'n con. Dwi drop frames, na? Rhaid na CPU. Okay, hwnna, it's there. Who the hell are you? boss.
Boss?
Where's your tux, boss?
Good work, Jack.
What are you doing here?
Sokolov comes with me.
What? Pan ti dal yn pwyntio gwn yno fo? Sorry. Yes! Attack your Hornet efo un cyllall. Let's go. What the hell's going on? Dwi'n di chwarae game at y 5 gwaith. Ond what the hell is going on? Dwi eisiau gwybod. Tell me now. Everything.
My friends, let us fight together again.
I have waited long for this day.
We will fight with you once more. Welcome back, boss.
Now that all 5 of us are together, it's
Wyt ti
time
wedi
to
chwarae
reach the depths of
Metal Gear
our
Solid 3?
selves.
Super Saiyan.
It's raining blood. Is he crying?
Sorrow. I am the sorrow. Oh, yeah. Di lot yn ymwneud sens o gwbl. Os yw unrhyw cysur, fel rhywun sy... fel rhywun sydd wedi chwarae lot o Metal Gear Solid, a di darllen lot o Metal Gear Solid, a di darllen Metal Gear Solid, a chdi just derbyn y stwff ma. Mae'n neud bywyd yn haws. Bolgan.
Ah, what a joyful scene.
Colonel Vogan.
Welcome to my country. And to my unit.
What?
Boss, what is this?
I'm defecting to the Soviet Union. Sokolov is a little gift from my new hosts.
Recoilless nuclear warheads. These will make a fine gift for me.
This can't
Fine.
be happening.
Who is he? Another one of your disciples? Are we taking him with us?
No, this one is still just a child. Too pure for us Cobras.
Too pure.
He has not yet found an emotion to carry into battle.
That's a normal thing to say. Yeah.
Think you can pull the trigger?
Hey! Pam nes dim sy'n dim o bullets, fucking tranquilizer dio. Tranquilizer gun dio. Pam nes dim just sy'n Stupid. Oh no, Tux glan fi.
He's seen my face. We can't let him live.
What?
If Khrushchev finds out about this, we're finished.
What the hell? Science.
Die.
Wait. He's my apprentice. I'll take care of him. 'em. 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 Jack, you can't come with us.
And I'm gonna kill you. I know text fi. Am ti'n chdi hynna? Ysbryd yn blond! Ysbryd yn... O, na, dim yn blond. Hael. What a thrill. Aye.
The new blood has been rejected.
Mae dal yn reit dda, fyna. It's dal yn un lle am ages. No, text fi.
Are we done here?
Now, onto Sokolov's research facility.
Shagohod is ours.
Dwi'n really ddim licio the boss of the cymeriad. Mae pobl yn lyfio the boss of the cymeriad.
Drift away.
Dwi'n meddwl bod hi fucking bollocks.
My place is with them now.
Just cos mae hi'n fucking bitch yn y plot. Hi sy'n achosi bob dim fyny at diwedd Metal Gear Solid 4. No time. Ie, yeah, Shagohod ydy'r Metal Gear... So Metal Gear ydy'r weapon fel arfer. Weapon massive, ie. Yeah. So yn yr un yma, y Shagohod ydy'r Metal Gear. Y thing massive na, sy'n seithi nuclear warheads.
Snake, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Canonically, Metal Gear Solid 1 ydy'r gynta yn y stori. Naci, Metal Gear Solid 3 ydy'r gynta yn y stori. So hwn yw'r Metal Gear gynta.
You've got to get those wounds treated. Hang in there.
What?
Alright, let's get you fixed up. Paramedic?
Okay, Snake. Just relax and it'll all be over before you know it. Stay with me. I've seen people in worse shape before. Think you can handle it?
No.
Major. The boss. She's defected.
We'll talk about that later. First, we've got to get you patched up.
Okay, here we go. First, open the survival viewer with the survival. If
You go
can't
bad.
move the once use the tree last if you do. Stay with me. Go.
Damn. Okay, ydw i yn cofio hyn. Bleeding. O, mae dweud, ti'n gwybod beth sy'n rango fo. Okay, ideal. No bandage. Oedd o'n mynd hyn o blaen. Okay. No bandage. Stabilize. City stabilize fo. Okay. 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 Splint a bandage. Disinfected. Bleeding. Bleeding. Wounds to open bandage. Una. Good as new. Oh no! Dim digon o foi o... Oh, okay, let's go in then. Okay. Damn, man. You look fucked up, man.
Good job, Snake.
We're coming to get you now. Just stay where you are. We'll drop a
Sut ydych chi'n gwybod nes i good job? Sut ydych chi'n gwybod? Nes i'n deud yn byd. Nes i literally ddim deud yn byd, so oedd o'n good job neu ddim. Ww, lle neis. What the hell? Fuck off. No time i the boss. No time i the gwbl. Unstable connection bod o. Os di rhywun yn gwatcha fi, ydy'r connection di bod yn iawn? O, ocelot. When Ocelot is not on screen, the other characters should be asking, where is Ocelot? You love Ocelot. What the hell?
A great success. Thanks to the boss and her cobras, I have both Sokolov and the Shagohod.
Oh.
What are we going to do with the girl?
She's mine.
Who is she?
Apparently she's Sokolov's
Ah,
woman.
okay. You've got 1 gig into this, should be fine. Dwi'n di cael clips fel la. Ond weithiau pan dwi'n sbio ar Twitch yma, mae'n dweud unstable connection. Ond dwi'n rhaid i'r issue.
She's a nice catch. I'll take her. Not so fast, my dear. A kiss of death.
Are you KGB?
We may be able to use her. She has spunk.
What?
Shall we take her back to the base?
Perhaps we should. We have no further use for Sokolov's research facility. I think it's time I gave this marvelous new toy a try.
What?
Even if they are our enemies, they're still our countrymen.
But it won't be me that pulled the trigger. It'll be our friend, the American defector.
You're going to nuke your fellow Russians?
What the hell?
Remember the Alamo.
Colonel!
Eto, sa'n gallu just lladd Vulcan yma na. Sa'n lladd Vulcan i sortio bod dim yma na. Enwedig bod ti'n gwybod lle mae plot mae'n actually mynd i. What the hell? What the hell was that? Remember the Alamo. Wel, ac iwsio lot yn Metal Gear Solid. Meet me at the Alamo. Save game. Data. A wan... Yr intro hwnna. Rwan mae'r gem yn cychwyn. Mae hwnna literally ddim yn rhan y Metal Gear Solid 3, by the way. Literally just the intro. So gach chi James Bond themed intro arall o'n ma'n. So fatha ffilms James Bond, ie, mae'n bit yn cychwyn oes, a wedyn mae'r can yn gicio fewn. A wedyn mae'r ffilm yn cychwyn. Dwi'n gwybod os hwn yn original version o'r gan yma. Mae yna lot o James Bond 60s, 70s yn y ffilm yma. Hwn sy'n dangos y ffilm, y game I gyd. No weird. Hwn yn spoiler lot o'r game I pobl sydd wedi chwarae o blaen. What the hell? Oedd y fideo ddim fel hyn o blaen. Oedd efo'r snakes am rownd. Iawn, dwi'n watched yr intro yma a hynna fydd stream hynna dwi'n meddwl. Dwi'n sylwi fod hi'n hwyr, gyda fi stwff I wneud. Efo, rwan mae'r gêm yn dechrau.
Currently flying over the Arctic Ocean, altitude 30,000 feet, approaching Soviet airspace. Arriving at the designated drone launch point. Drone oil pressure and voltage are nominal. Payload oxygen supply is nominal. Power supply to payload antifreeze system shows no problems. No gusts. All systems go for drone detachment.
Snake, we can't risk a halo jump this time around.
Airspace security has gotten tighter since we were last here. We can't get as close to the ground as we did during the Virtuous mission. So instead, we'll be using one of our newest weapons. Snake, you're being given an honor on par with Alan Shepard. This is our last chance. Show your patriotism. If you fail, you'll be back in a hospital bed again, waiting for the firing squad.
Whoa.
So how does it feel to be a patient in one of the most advanced ICUs in the world?
Would you do me a favor and tell the suits about visiting hours? I'll never get better with them assaulting me day and night with their questions.
Must be part of the top brass's inquiry.
More like an interrogation. According to them, I'm a traitor and an accomplice to the boss's defection.
They're just looking for a scapegoat.
Does that mean they're after you too?
Let's just say neither one of us is going to be made a national hero out of this.
Does this mean Fox is going to die?
No. This fox is still one step ahead of the hounds.
Oi.
The reason I came to see you today, Jack, it's time for Fox to clear its name.
What are you talking about?
The situation has changed. We've still got a chance to come out of this one alive.
Yeah, what kind of chance?
Don't get too excited. Here, have a cigar. It's Cuban.
It's Cuban. Ooh, very on point. Your political climate again, man.
This morning, I had a meeting with the CIA.
They decided when they're going to execute us?
No. Something even bigger.
What?
Yesterday, the White House received an unexpected call.
President Johnson? Yes, I hear you, Mr. Chairman.
Want down, nu is er heen, dat
Hotline
zet ze
call
me.
from Khrushchev to President Johnson.
From the head of the Soviet Union?
That's right.
A few days ago, one of our country's main design bureaus, OKB 754, was destroyed in a nuclear explosion. At about the same time, our anti-aircraft radar picked up a signature that appeared to come from one of your military aircraft. Does any of this sound familiar to you? In retaliation, I have placed our armed forces on secondary alert. Depending on your response, I may be left with no choice but to order the military to maximum alert and unleash Armageddon. With the help of your predecessor, I was able to survive the Cuban incident. But my power is not as great as it once was. If I am to survive this crisis, I must have your full cooperation.
Full cooperation.
I should have contacted you myself. Did you know that one of our soldiers defected to your country a week ago?
The boss.
No.
So you haven't heard then. The man who arranged the defection was a GRU colonel by the name of Yevgeny Borosovich Volgin.
Volgin? Of the Brezhnev faction. Go on. Who is the soldier?
Her name is the Boss.
What? The boss?
Living legend. During World War II, she was the one who led us to victory in that war. In Russia, you know her as Voyevoda.
Voyevoda.
You mean the Boss? The mother of your special forces?
Yes, that's the one. And she took 2 miniature nuclear shells along with her.
The Boss took 2 miniature nuclear shells.
I'm afraid so. I believe they were a gift for her new hosts. The Davy Crockett Atomic Battle Group delivery system was completed 2 years ago. But serious problems were found with the launcher's range and precision. Although they were mass-produced, they've never been deployed in battle.
But Sokolov's research facility was completely wiped out. The whole area is polluted.
I can only offer you my deepest condolences over this terrible tragedy.
So, the Boss, with Colonel Volgin's help, stole 2 experimental nuclear shells and took them with her as gift when she defected. Then, shortly thereafter, Sokolov's design lab, a top-secret military research facility, was destroyed by one of these weapons. Am I right so far?
Yes, that's correct.
And the American government denies any involvement in the affair. Is that right as well?
That's correct. We were not involved in any way.
Then what was a U.S. military aircraft doing on our radar screen?
Ooh.
It was clearly in violation of our airspace. And yet you say it was not acting under your orders.
That's correct.
You expect me to believe that this was all the work of a single soldier?
It's the boss.
I don't know what else to tell you.
The army insists that this is all a ploy on your part.
I've said it once and I'll say it again. Our government had nothing to do with it.
And I would like dearly to believe you. However, I'm afraid my power over the military has weakened since the Cuban incident. I will need some kind of proof that this was not the action of the American government.
Hei, diolch yn fawr. Nos da, super sy'n fyddai'n goffan ar hwn am hynny nhw. Diolch am dod draw a di helo. Gwerthorogi. Cofio ymuno os ti heb di wneud y berod.
Prove our innocence.
Yes, preferably something painful.
Kill the boss.
Prove to me that this is not merely another one of your tricks.
The boss should be close to Colonel Volgin. How about a little co-action?
I would not expect too much if I were you. The political situation here is unstable. And Colonel Volgin is a member of the Brezhnev faction, which seeks to topple my government. 1 week. You have only 1 week. And if it is not too much to ask, do something about Volgin as well.
What is that supposed to mean?
Nothing.
Kill him.
Means nothing. Call it a modest gentleman's agreement to ensure our continued relationship.
What if we can't prove our innocence?
Then I will be unable to restrain the military. I will be ousted, and they will seek their revenge.
A nuclear attack on the United States?
I leave the disposal of this situation entirely to your discretion, Mr. President.
Disposal?
If you fail, it will mean the beginning of a new world war.
What? No.
Put it simply, in order to avoid a full-scale nuclear conflict, we have to prove that America was not involved in that explosion.
And eliminating the boss ourselves will prove America's innocence?
Right. The higher-up decided that you're the only one capable of pulling this off. You were her last apprentice. Screw this one up, and we'll both be 6 feet under. There's no choice.
Kill her. The dirty tater.
The KGB has promised to lend us one of their communications satellites so that you and I can talk to each other.
Hey, hello.
That's it.
Apparently, maen nhw wedi newid lluniau hyn I version mwy up-to-date o'r un pobl.
There was a defection in September 1960. Do you remember it?
You mean the 2 NSA codebreakers who went over to the Soviet Union?
Precisely. Since then, they've apparently been training with the KGB for exactly this kind of situation. Their code names are Adam and Eva. I've been told that Adam has infiltrated Volgin's ranks. We've also arranged for him to provide you with an escape route. You'll need to rendezvous with him when you get there.
Control. Unidentified aircraft detected. Altitude 30,000 feet.
Afterburners on.
It's fast. Estimated airspeed exceeding Mach 3. Bearing south. I'm about to lose it.
Colli Baghdad, symud.
This is Snake. Do you read me?
Loud and clear. Glad to see you landed safely.
I got blown pretty far off target.
Snake, let's go over your mission objectives one more time. Rescue Sokolov.
Yep.
Find out what's happened to the Shagohod, then destroy it. And finally, eliminate the boss.
Easy.
Eliminate the boss.
This mission will be codenamed Operation Snake Eater.
Because I'll be taking on the boss in our Cobra unit, right?
Don't forget about Colonel Volgin.
I'm not a hired killer.
I know, but that was the Kremlin's demand.
Demand? You mean it wasn't just a request? What's it to us if the Khrushchev regime is threatened by the Colonel and his faction?
If supporting the current regime helps us avoid a nuclear exchange, then that's what we'll do.
And what are the CIA's demands?
Our priorities are the rescue of Sokolov.
Roger that, Major Tom.
Hold on, Snake.
What now?
I'm changing my code name. It turns out Tom was
Ja, maar weet je,
choice.
What do you mean?
Well, the truth
een beetje
is,
zulke
when I chose my
films.
codename, I picked the wrong one.
The wrong one?
Did you ever see the movie The Great Escape? It came out last year.
Oh, must have missed that one.
Anyway, it's based on a true story about prisoners who escaped from a POW camp in Nazi Germany. The prisoners dig 3 tunnels as part of their plan, but the Nazis find 2 of the tunnels before they're finished. The prisoners succeed in escaping by using the last remaining tunnel. The names of those 3 tunnels were Dick, Harry, and Tom.
I get it. You used the name of the tunnel they escaped in as your code name because you thought it would bring you good luck.
Yes, that's exactly right. At least, that was the plan.
But
I got the name wrong. The one they escaped in was Harry. Tom was one of the unlucky tunnels. It was discovered by the Nazis before it was finished. I watched the movie again just to make sure. In fact, I even ordered the actual film from the movie company.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like...
Yes, het is Governsa.
So what should I call you?
You know, let's just use 0, like we've been doing all along. From square 0. My frequency is 140.85. Oh, I almost forgot. Paramedic is with us again on this mission.
Is this her last chance too?
Yes.
If we fail, she'll have her medical license revoked. It's more or less the same kind of fate. Her frequency is the same as during the Virtuous mission, 145.73. She'll be recording your mission data as well, just like the last time. That frequency is also the same, 140.96. And there's one more person on your support team. His name is Mr. Sigint.
Sigint.
He's an expert on the latest in weapons and equipment technology. You'll be going up against some of the world's most advanced weaponry when you infiltrate the research facility. If you have any questions, just ask him. His frequency is 148.41.
Yep.
Mr. Sigint. Got it.
Adam, your KGB contact, is waiting for you at the abandoned factory up ahead.
The same factory Sokolov was being held in last week.
Yes, meet up with Adam first. He's cleared the way for you to rescue Sokolov.
How will I know this Adam guy when I see him?
You'll know once you reach the factory. The whole area's been polluted by the fallout from that nuclear blast. No one else would dare come close. The password is, "Who are the Patriots?" and Lali Lulelo.
Lali Lulelo.
Lali Lulelo.
You've been equipped with a 45 for this mission. Be careful, it's noisy.
I thought standard Fox procedure was procure on-site weapons acquisition.
The circumstances are different this time. You're now on an official mission for the United States government. It would be necessary to make your presence known to a certain extent, to the Khrushchev regime at the very least. But remember, this is still a sneaking mission. Snake, if you fail this mission, it will mean an all-out nuclear war.
No!
Keep that in mind and proceed with extreme caution.
Understood. Commencing operation.
Gaan we dan scherp doorheen rollen wie niet? The jump. Yeah. So I'm heading now. Actually, it will mean. We admin and okay. Okay. Ja, Savia, så hon vet vi henne.
Paramedic.
Snake, it's so good to hear from you again.
Same here. It's been a week, hasn't it?
4 days, actually.
Huh?
I visited you in the hospital. You were still unconscious, though.
Ydyn nhw'n cyfri. Dyn nhw ddim yn cyfri.
Yeah,
Oh
but
my
you were all
God.
wrapped up in bandages and tubes, so I couldn't do anything but look.
Better luck next time.
Let's hope so.
Oh my God.
But seriously,
Ugh.
don't forget that you were like that until just yesterday. In fact, you really shouldn't even be on this mission. Keep an eye on your stamina gauge. If you start to run low, don't push yourself. Eat something to replenish your stamina. And try not to get yourself hurt. If you're wounded or get bitten by a venomous animal, go into the survival viewer immediately and treat yourself using Cure.
Okay.
Yeah. I can see you still know how to nag.
Whoa.
Welcome. And I can see you still don't know when to keep your mouth shut.
Maybe so. By the way, I heard you're going to lose your medical license if this mission fails.
Yes, there was talk of that, but the mission won't fail, will it?
Of course
Hey.
Good. I believe in you. But you know what? I really don't care about my medical license.
Didn't they use that to force you to participate in this operation?
No, I volunteered.
Why?
So that I could watch over you.
Huh?
Snake, you're the best agent I've ever seen. But you push yourself too hard. You're reckless. Someone has to stop you from getting into trouble. To make sure you and the boss don't kill each other.
Dwi'n gorau lladd y boss, though. Dwi'n gorau lladd y boss. Literally my job.
Guardian angel than me, right?
Thanks.
Stop right there.
All right.
Save. Yeah, dim save scymio. One save only.
Good luck, Snake.
Thanks.
Na fo. Oce. Da ni wedi cychwyn. Da ni wedi cychwyn. So. That's the start of it. Dwi'n mynd i sticio o'r tro yma, cos dwi wedi talu amdano fo, basically. Yeah, Metal Gear Solid 3 there, efo bach o graphics a quality of life stuff, so... Joiniwch fi ar y daith yma. Ydyn ni'n mynd i lladd Big Boss? Nag ydyn ni'n lladd y boss? Ydyn ni'n mynd i stopio Shagahod? A wneud y shit arall mae gyd? Dim ond un lle ydych chi'n mynd i ffindio allan? Ar y stream yma. Nos da!